No, not really a vlog. It's gonna be a McDonald's mukbang, but like vlog style, because I'm gonna talk to you. So like, I don't know. I should go behind the person who hasn't been waiting as long. You know what I mean? Like, someone just pulled up. This person has been here for a minute, but just my luck, this person's ordering a whole fucking meal. But hey, what's up, guys? I was just craving McDonald's. My diet has not been going very good. I want to lose like, let me turn off my windshield wipers. I want to lose like 10 pounds, which is probably so unrealistic considering the fact I can't even lose like 2 pounds.
If you choose a McDonald's for your featuring our share more shakes today, go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Do you guys have like a McChicken meal?
No, we do not.
Okay, can I just get a McChicken with no lettuce, and then a medium fry, and then a 6-piece nugget, and then can I get like sweet and sour sauce, hot mustard, and 1 signature sauce, and then a large Diet Coke. I've been craving Diet Coke.
Nuggets, sweet and sour, hot mustard, and signature sauce, and a large Diet Coke, correct?
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Awesome. You are looking at $7.27 as your total at the first window.
Okay, thank you. I hate when I do that, like, pull off already. Guys, I'm high. I feel like I just have to mention that in every video. Otherwise, people are gonna think I'm just a fucking weirdo. My eyes are watering really bad this leaves, and I think I'm crying. I'm crying of happiness. What if they see that I'm filming? That would be embarrassing, don't you think? I'm a dangerous driver. I've just come to the realization. I don't know how to do this the best. If I stop, it'll be better. But now it's bouncy. Yeah, I'm not that great of a driver. That's why I will never, ever drive drunk, because I can barely drive sober. Definitely, if I'm driving drunk, I'm not going to be able to do a good job doing it. That's good for me. Okay, so I just went to McDonald's. So I've eaten like half of this fry while I was driving, but as you can see, there's McDonald's fries. I should have got large. A McChicken, 6-piece nugget, and I have a Diet Coke. And then for sauces, which I feel like make or break McDonald's. Signature sauce, sweet and sour sauce, hot mustard. So yeah, let's dig in. I'm gonna start with some nuggets just because that sounds really good. I really should not be eating McDonald's because I want to lose weight, and after this I'm going to Buffalo Wild Wings to Alexis. Which maybe I'll just do, I could do 2 mukbangs. McNuggets are so good. McNuggets. Yeah, I really should be eating healthy. Doing these kind of make me insecure because, like, what if you can hear me smacking and chewing? That would embarrass me. This is sound doughy. What to talk about? I put in my 2 weeks. At Safeway. I just can't do it anymore there. Plus, I'm about to turn 18, so I'll be able to have, like, find better baristing jobs. Because I like making coffee and doing that. It's the only thing I've ever done. But I'm pretty good at it. Like, it's not hard to do. I'm sure everyone's good at it. But, like, I just have a way with customers. You know what I mean? I'll be getting, like, $5 tips. And it's at, like, a Safeway Starbucks. I'll get a $5 tip on, like, 1 drink, too. So it's always, like... They never are really good with their mayonnaise proportions. So I have to always go like that, slide it around the sandwich. I want a spicy McChicken. I thought for a second my knee was a killer. Like, a spicy McChicken would be everything for me. Like, I like McChickens more than I like their premium sandwiches. Not weird. I just love McChickens. When I get hamburgers from McDonald's, I put like sweet and sour sauce on it, and then I also put French fries on it. It's good. Well, the other day I got their chicken sandwich, like the classic crispy chicken or whatever. That was not good. I will admit, like, sophomore year, me and my friends figured out how to scam the McDonald's app. You just made new emails, and anytime you signed up for it, you would get a free burger, and you didn't even have to confirm your, you get a free sandwich, any type of sandwich, and you didn't have to confirm your email. So, like, I did that so many fucking times. I would get breakfast sandwiches, I would go get regular sandwiches, like, that was my thing to do. Eventually, the one over by my house stopped doing the free sandwich offer. Because a lot of kids in my school were doing it. This is good and hot and fresh. Oh, why don't I talk about some dumb stories, things I've done drunk. One time, insert this right here. Now that I know how to do that. I was drunk and ranting, and I was like, I'm just a drunk piece of shit, blah, 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 blah. And then I broke Camille's leg, like, while I was saying it on video. My other vlog was a drunk vlog, and then this vlog is going to be a drunk vlog, because I'm a drunk piece of shit, 24/7. My rig. Oh my god, you're so right. Camille, oh my god, oh my god.
Did you break it?
Oh my god, oh my god. I did break it. It's not funny, I just broke that. I don't even understand how I did that.
Because you stomped it?
That's in them. Maybe I haven't done a lot of dumb things drunk. Well, I was drunk, so I don't remember. I don't even really do dumb things. I just, like, flex on people too much. And I'll film myself, like, mayonnaise and sweet and sour sauce in my hands. I should have got 2 McChickens. I got drunk a lot this summer, which wasn't good. Like, there was just found there in the very beginning of summer. I think school was still in session. I was like splat. But it was still warm out. School was still in session. But it was like 90 degrees outside. And we all, like, everyone was going to the lake. And when I say everyone was going to the lake, every fucking one in Spokane was going to the lake. Like, that mattered. Some people, it didn't matter that were going there, I feel, but. And just specifically, everyone was there because that was like the only time during the summertime that everyone was there at once. And everyone would just be getting drunk, and it would be so easy to get drunk. And I had never really day drank before this summer. And I fell in love with day drinking at the CDA. I was just watching McDonald's videos. Or not McDonald's videos, but videos of kids trying McDonald's for the first time. I should clickbait this title. Trying McDonald's for the first time. While I have a McDonald's eating show on my channel. I get so paranoid. I always think someone's like watching me. My dad, when I was younger, used to say that I would eat so fast. Like, I was eating like it was my last meal. I'm a sloppy eater. And I'm the type of person, like, I haven't eaten all day. This is my first meal, and this clock is wrong. It's 1:42. And it says 12:42. I haven't eaten all day. And I'm going to show my face at this McDonald's in like 10 minutes. I have a bunch of healthy options I could have made at home. I want to address an issue, but like, it'll start issues with other people if I address it. But like, I'm just so like, someone told me some shit this weekend that someone said about me, and it's someone that like I fuck with, so I'm like, makes you like rethink like how you interact with people. Like, do I go off? And like, old me would have immediately went off on the person, but I'm just like, we'll see how this goes. I was just like, yeah, I thought you were my friend. It's okay though. No friends. I have SB. Even though SB doesn't watch any of my videos. SB thinks YouTube is stupid. I think SB is stupid. Diet Coke has like no calories, I'm pretty sure. So like, there's some drinking 0 calorie drink. I've gone through my vlogs. Like last night, I was going through my vlogs, just looking at old ones, old videos I've taken, and I burp a lot. Like a lot. It's kind of gross. My friend Asia, she burps at the dinner table. Her grandpa takes off $10 of her allowance, which I think is very effective. But she still burps, so Bob might need to come up with a better like idea. I feel like I'm not interesting at all, but then at the same time, I feel like I'm like the most interesting person anyone has ever met. Just depends. Okay, I'm gonna finish my last nuggets and my signature sauce. This signature sauce is like bomb. I haven't tried the Shiznan sauce. I don't even know how to say it. One thing I'm really bad at is pronouncing words. I should have gone to speech therapy. I have a speech impediment. Why can't I get this fucking sauce open? Oh, you know that laugh that Trisha makes? Unless you're a true fishy, you wouldn't know. I'm just kidding. I don't feel that great now. I don't feel bad, but I don't feel great. Like, after I eat this, I'm gonna go and lay down for like an hour. I'm gonna edit this video tonight, though, and post it tonight. So you're watching this, I think, on... This says January 12th, but it's not January 12th. I think it's March 14th. It's Wednesday. This signature sauce is so good. I'm trying to explain it. It's like a mayonnaise sauce, I think. With, like, goodness in it. Ooh. Oh, this is good. This is so bad for me. Wow. I'm about to go eat buffalo wings, too. Crazy girl. Kids are starting to get home from school. No, they're not. That kid just probably skipped their class. That was all the McNuggets. Chicken nugget. I don't think I'm ever gonna give my kids chicken nuggets. I mean, not chicken nuggets. Hold on, guys. I feel a burp like about to come. Maybe not. I'll never give my kids McDonald's. I'm so serious. Like, McDonald's probably is terrible for you. They can have, like, Chick-fil-A and stuff like that. But, like, not McDonald's. I was watching this one video where these kids were trying McDonald's for the first time. And the kid was like, I can already taste the plastic in my mouth. Because apparently their mom told them had plastic in it. And so, like, obviously they're going to have a pre-notion, I don't know if that's the right word, towards McDonald's. You know what I mean? You know what I fucking mean? If you think about it, it's kind of weird, like, talking to a camera. But actors do it all the time, but, like, there's other people in the room. I want to be flying a plane right now somewhere. Almost done with my food. Who eats one fry at a time? Like, I don't know anyone. Like, maybe when you're driving, you grab one fry, but I normally grab, like, 3 or 4. That's probably why you should only eat one fucking fry at a time. FML. My brother's gonna know I wore his pants now. And now there's a stain on my shirt. That's karma. I literally was just talking about how I only... Maybe I should only eat one french fry at a time now. I have big lips. Like, me and Trisha Paytas have big lips. Hers are fake, but... Okay, guys. That's almost all my food. That is all my food. Fries. There's like 3 left. Chicken. Finished. Nuggets. Gone. Crumbs all over my car. I have stuff all over my hands, so I'm gonna have to go wash my hands. I finally have nails again. Like, this whole time I've been YouTubing. This whole time I've been filming videos, I haven't had my nails done because Starbucks doesn't allow... Safeway. Starbucks doesn't allow you to have your nails done. If you go to a regular Starbucks, you can. So, I went and got my nails done. I was super, super excited about them. I asked for coffin-shaped nails. And this is what the fuck I got. I'll insert the picture of what the, like, nails I wanted. And you fucking tell me if, like, I should go and complain. I think that's a piece of mayonnaise in my hand. I don't know. Now it's all over my finger. But yeah, like, this looks nothing. This hand's a little bit better. And these are after I filed them a little bit. I'll insert, like, an original picture of when I left the store. I filed these a little bit myself last night, and they still look like shit. Because, like, it's kind of hard to fix complete bullshit. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a long nap now. Not that long, because I'm gonna go get food in, like, an hour and a half. But I'm gonna go rest my body, watch a TV show with my mom. She's probably asleep. My mom sleeps. She's a sleeper. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next